Hello guys, today we are going to see how to teach online without creating PPT. It might have happened with you that we have to teach so many lectures, we have to take so many lectures and so many PPTs we have to make a day prior. So it takes a lot of time. Today I have got a fantastic thing for you that we will make a teaching a very easy job while without creating our PPT. Let us get started. I have on my I have put it on my Google Meet where we can click on present now. Let us share a Chrome tab, or you can select entire screen as well. Right now I am here clicking on Chrome tab. Now on net there are so many PPTs are available. You need not to create it separately. These are the authenticate one and good one. So you can take a help of those PPTs. I'm right now clicking on here your entire screen. So whatever I'm doing on my screen will be visible. Now you are presenting, yes, now my screen is visible. Now I'll go to slide share. Yes, as we all of us know that SlideShare is a website where all PPTs are displayed. You put any kind of concept, you will get fantastic PPTs over here. Now let's say I want to find out what is demography. There are multiple slides will come. You can select any one of them, whichever you feel is good. Yeah. Now go back to your screen, Google Meet screen, and now since I have shared this my entire screen, that's the reason this screen has occurred. I can show you even a Chrome tab. Now I have put my slide share on, yeah, here. Now this slide you can see here sharing this tab to Meet on Google. It is shared because I have shared this tab on my Google Meet. Let us go back to the Google Meet. Now here you can see which window is presenting. Your slideshare.com slides are visible. So here you can save a lot of time on creating PPT on your own. You can take the help of those slide shares and share with your students easily. I hope this video has helped you to save your time. If you have any doubt regarding this, please write it in comment box. Thank you one and all. Bye bye.